What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sachi, how you guys doing? Alright, carrying on with KonoSuba, Wonderful Explosion, and I kind of feel for that lady now. She's stuck with the stalker. I mean, the fact that she couldn't see her own future because she was looking at his means they're gonna end up together, right? It was bad enough when he learned invisibility. Yeah. Missing again! Well, looking better for Union. She's making more for friends, I think? Maybe? I mean, that's always been the thing. She can't make any friends. But she's making friends in school. Fine, so what was the problem in the future? Anyway, let's see what ridiculousness is going to happen in this episode. Because I sincerely doubt we're going to find out straight men in this series. Yeah, that whole place is just weird. Alright! Here we go. And she's bringing lunch. Yeah. Take the bento. T-shirts here. He has potions. What's happening today? Are we sure it's not just you guys exaggerating about to mess things up again? Ooh, nice. She is really gathering everything for explosion, but it's not gonna happen now. Okay, it might actually happen now. Okay, she's just being mean. Oh, you go. Crimson Eyed, only master, and so forth. Okay, who is it? Who is the hero candidate? Not you, young. Hey. Okay, now actually. It's like he's seen the future. Except our boobs are bigger. Well, you did mess with one of the general's castles constantly. Wait, why? Someone stop her. Okay, I actually thought she was making friends. Very suspicious. That's a whole other thing, and you shouldn't do that. Hey, stalker guy. Yeah, he is optimistic. Okay, so I actually thought of that. Oh, idiots. What? Okay, what? Okay, you might be the straight one here. The only sensible one. And she gave him the money in the back. Yeah, it should. Probably the whole time. Because everybody knows you're virtually, broke. That's the point that we're making. That looks... Ah! Yeah, I feel bad for the Mandrake. Yeah, look at it. Come on, look at it. Look at it. Oh, okay. Take it. But what if he needs another one? Can you just go get one? Oh, shoot. You're dead. Yeah. Nice knowing you. He actually killed it. I should Tuxedo Slayer. sure it works. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you do. And do something about this. Yeah, it is looking Yuri. It's dead. Oh, she has some money now. That does look good. She ate a lot. That does look good. She's full. She leveled up. Yeah, she got experience. Yeah, she probably should have graduated much earlier. Yep. Very. Okay, they're about to break up. And who won the fight? Yeah, you won! I should not be happy about this. Yeah, my excuses. Yeah, that's the thing. And glass cannon. Hey! Another one or his back? She's gonna kill it to double up. Yeah. And that too. Yeah. Okay, so the demons are actually there. And you, well... Yeah, that did not work. That did not work out. Oh no. Okay, so the whole Demon Lord release seal thing was actually... they still brought in the Demon Lord themselves and Seal the Dead Beast because it'd be kind of cool if it's right on Moses. Wow, that place is really hits. But yeah, it's loose now, and Kumiko, well, she did run into the forest, so she's alive, but probably in a lot of trouble, so we're gonna go help her. She does have one more point, though, and she killed that poor duck, so yeah, she gets the point. So we might get an explosion next episode. Something to look forward to. Now I'm really feeling for Yun. She still hasn't found true friends yet. Well, it's not as bad as they were making it look in the flashback in the main series. Still bad. Anyway, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out. Any comments? I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and check out my stuff. See you guys next time.